Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics, and on today's video we will be showing you how to use our Glitter Pattern HTV. Alright guys, for this project you are going to need a die cut machine, you are going to need your mat for your machine, and then for the vinyl I'm going to use our Glitter Pattern HTV. This is our Kente print. I am going to need a transfer TTD high-tech mask for our pattern because we are going to transfer it. And I have chosen a Mocha Caesar Easy Weed sheet 12 by 12. You're going to need a weeding pen and some scissors. And you will need a shirt, whatever color you want, depending on your pattern. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, for this project I actually have chosen this beautiful lady here that I am going to overlap onto our Mocha Caesar Easy Weed. Now I am going to put her aside because I am not going to mirror her, because on the glitter we do not mirror any words or anything at all, but for the chocolate Caesar Easy Weed, that one has to be mirrored. And the reason why is because the chocolate has the carrier sheet on top and our glitter pattern has a carrier sheet on the bottom. So we're essentially never going to flip this image around. So the way we get it, that's the way we're gonna put it. Alright guys, now I am going to go to make it. Here it's telling me that I am going to cut the Mocha first. We are going to load our sheet onto our mat. We are going to make sure that the setting is on iron on. It is a quick silhouette, so we can get away with fast mode. We are going to click on fast mode and hit cut. Now, like I was saying, the Mocha does have the carrier sheet on top. That is why we mirrored that one. Now we are going to put our Kente print on top. Of our mat, and we are going to insert, because it's going to cut the second part, we are going to insert that into our machine. Glitter is light cardstock, so we are going to want to move our settings to light cardstock. This is more intricate, so for this one I am not going to put fast mode, so that I make sure that it cuts all the small little pieces. Now I press cut and we wait for it to cut. Alright, now that that's done, we are going to remove it from our mat. We are going to cut the extra out so that when we weed it, it's a little easier to weed. I could fairly see, especially with the reflection of a light, where the outline is. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut around my image. And always save your scraps, because even small pieces could, you know, be a whole new shirt. So this is what I mean about carrier sheets. See how the vinyl on the Caesar Easy Weed is on the back side, so the carrier sheet is on top. And if you can see, the vinyl is on one side and the carrier is on top. So this is the carrier sheet and the vinyl's on the back. This is why we had to put the shiny side down, so we could cut the vinyl and not the carrier sheet. So this is the one that we're going to press on the shirt first. Now for glitter, this is where it switches up just a bit. This one, it has the shiny sheet. You can see that the glare there, that's the shiny sheet on the bottom, and that's what's holding our decal together. So now we are, same thing, going to weed it, but this is why we don't mirror it, because we're not gonna flip this way. We are going to keep it this way. We're going to get our transfer sheet and just pick it up and put it on our shirts. And you just weed. Weeding through all your details, all the small details. I always say all this extra stuff, just cut it off. That way you get all this extra stuff out of the way. Alright, so here's where it gets a little tricky when you are doing intricate cuts. As you can see, we have a lot of little dots right there. All you gotta do is hold it down with your weeding tool of choice and pull. Hold it down and pull. Hold it down and pull. And that's exactly what you're going to do when you have little intricate cuts. It's hold it down and pull. Hold it down and pull. As you can see, all these smaller pieces, I press down and I pull. Press down and pull. Alright guys, now that we have weeded all our image out, I did forget to mention you will need a squeegee, and that's to squeegee the TTD mask onto here. Now, what we're going to do is grab our transferring sheet. It usually comes in a big sheet like this. You're going to peel it off. I like to use what I call the taco method, and that's you fold it in half, just like this, and you let the middle part hit first. So now I go with my squeegee right in the middle, and I go on the top and then on the bottom. So we're going to put this big sheet over this one. You see that gray? That is the back that was holding your decal together. So what you are going to want to do is squeegee at an angle, especially around your borders. Really good. That noise, those are the bubbles coming out. Now, repeat the process in the back. The less bubble area you have, the better. All right. I always say peel at an angle. Going to want to hold your TTD mask and peel away slowly. And as you can see here, I'm peeling it off and my image is stuck to the TTD mask. And it's not that hard, as you can see. There you go. Your image has been transferred. This you could throw away. Now this is the time where you could see if you missed anything else of weeding. I see a little piece. I'm going ahead and weed that out. I know for some people it's kind of hard for them to see glitter. Here I'm going to cut this part out. But other than that, it looks great and it's ready to press. Come on over to the heat press with me and let's press this shirt. Before I press, I am going to put my decal over to see how I like it without pressing. This is what my decal is going to look. As much as I love that mocha color in the background, I don't think it complements my glitter. So I might just press the shirt without the mocha in the background. I'm gonna try pressing this on the shirt before I heat press it and see how I like it. Oh, I actually like that better. I could see more of the girl's outline, her praying hands. I kind of like this better, guys. So for heat settings for the glitter pattern is 305 for 15 seconds. So we are going to go ahead and press this. Ready, guys? Oh, beautiful. And this is, I believe, a hot peel. Just very careful because you can burn your fingers. There it is, guys. And for the TTD mask, remember, it is reusable, so stick it right back onto the sheet where you took it off. And this is our final product. Thanks for watching today's video on how to use Glitter Pattern HTV. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. See you guys next time.